So one of the most standout features of the LG V60 is the dual display. This dual display brings this device to another level. And in this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks using the dual display along with the bamboo pen that's made for the LG V60. So let's have some fun. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So let's talk about the dual display for the LG V60. Let's talk about it. First, this display is sold separately. It's about $160. I will leave the links down in the description below. This case is almost a must-have if you got the LG V60. The first feature of this case is that it fully protects the device. It's no need to have anything else. This case protects the back and the front, so it's no worries if you drop this phone with this case on it. This case will fully protect your LG V60. Plus, this case closed with strong magnets, so it's no worries about the front flipping, right? This case will not open at all once it's closed. Next, the case does have some functionality. So in the front here, you get to see your time, your notifications, the date, and everything else in between right here. Now, I wish that the whole display had a secondary display. So yes, this is a feature of the case that you can see some things at a glance. Your time, your notifications, and the dates and stuff like that. So that's one of the unique features of having this case. Next, this case has a little split at the top. So if you are on the phone, you can close the case and talk on the phone with no problem, and you can hear just fine. So that is another unique feature with this case here, that if you are on the phone, you can close the case and you have a slit right here at the top where you can talk to the other party. One of the unique things of having this dual case is that you could treat your LG V60 like two separate phones, having apps on both displays, having two different wallpapers if you like. So you can have apps on this display and apps on this display. So you can use this dual display like two different phones. So yes, you can open up two full apps on either display with no problem, and you can interact with both displays separately. So you do have full multitasking going on here with the LG V60. One of the unique features of having a dual case is widescreen mode. It's very good, especially if you're doing a long document or typing an email or a long text message. You have the option to set this device down, open it like a laptop, and have the keyboard taking up one of the displays and type away. This is a good feature to get a lot of work done, and I basically use it all the time. If I need to type up long documents, I just open up the widescreen mode, open up a document, and use the full keyboard at the bottom of the display and type away. Next, you can watch a movie on one display and you can turn the other display off if you like. You got a huge 6.8-inch POLED display, show high quality movies and high quality videos. Plus, you got dual speakers that's loud enough to get that immersive experience when watching movies. So that is another unique feature of having a dual case. So let's talk about something that's nice. Gaming on the LG V60 with the dual display. This is the ultimate gaming device. Look, you can open up the game launcher and click on the LG pad, and not only that, you're only moments from getting that good gaming experience that you ever had. Now click on the joystick icon. There are controllers that are pre-installed for you, but if you want to customize your controller to fit the game needs, you can do that, and it works very well. One of the best experience of having the dual display is pen support. Look, I have the bamboo pen here and it works with the LG V60. You have a 2-button layout here. If you click on the button, you get a menu here with memos and gifts and all kinds of different things like that. Now you could go into the settings and you can make changes here, but out of the box, this is what you're going to get. And it works very well. The software intertwines with the hardware using the pen, and you have palm rejection. So you could put your palm on the display and you could write away without any issues. So working with the pen, you can look something up online, which is fantastic, and you can write down your notes till your heart's content, and it works very good on both displays. And it gives you a larger canvas to work with. So having the dual display brings your experience to the next level. So one of the unique features of having the dual case is that you can control the dual case here by clicking on the button here. You could swap screens. You could show the dual display on the main screen. You could put the main screen to sleep, or you could turn off the dual display. So you do have some functionality and some features here with the dual display. Also, you have full access to your volume rocker up and down, and you have your Google Assistant button here. Also, you got your power button, and you got your microphone here, and at the bottom you do have a headphone jack, the power port, and you have another mic here. So you have full access to everything using this dual case. So let's talk about some of the cons with having the dual display. First, it's an additional cost, $165. That's how much this dual display costs. And I will leave that link down in the description below if you want to pick this up. Not only that, but adding the dual display makes your device bulky and heavy. That's something you need to know. It will make your device bulky and heavy. Next, using the dual display case on your device, you need an adapter to charge. Now I have a few of them because you got to have a few of these adapters here because it's not USB Type-C. It's a proprietary charging port here. So you need an adapter that converts into a USB Type-C. So if you need to charge your device, you don't have the adapter, you have to pull out the LG V60 and charge it and put it back in the case and take it out the case and put it in the case and so forth and so on. So yes, that could be an issue for some people. Next, I've had a few people tell me that the LG V60 with their dual display had a green screen issue. Now, I've been having the LG V60 for a very long time, almost about 2 years now, using it off and on as my daily driver, and I haven't had that green screen effect with the LG V60 with the dual display. So I can't tell you anything about it because I never experienced it. And lastly, if you want to get that complete experience with the LG V60, with the dual case, you got to get the pen. This is almost a must, right? Obviously, it's an additional cost, but if you want to get the complete experience with the dual case, with the pen to get work done and everything else in between, this is your ultimate workstation with the pen and pen software along with the dual case. Look, I will leave all product links down in the description below if you want to pick these items up. This is the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG V60 and the dual case in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.